It might not be the greatest jump of all time, but I gotta tell you, fam, we're not crashing, and that is a win. What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. Recovery. Cronos is recovering, and that's a win. And I'm gonna explain why I see it because that bottom of 5 cents speaks volumes a lot. We have Cosmos, we have other ones right now doing really well: Polygon, Cardano, ApeCoin, some of them labeled as a security. And I'm happy to see in the 24 hours things are changing. In the 7 days, it's just stable coins. So it means that we still don't have that delicious jump, generally speaking, just on these ones in the 24 hours, meaning that I think we're charting in better territory, hopefully later on as we continue in the next week. Keep in mind that we have FOMC. Now we obviously are looking into the CPI rate. So there's a juicy amount of information coming our way. But for right now, I know it could be a little too early. Could this be a dead cat bounce? Because that's what people were telling me in my previous videos. Oscar, I'm sure that this is going to continue crashing. I'm like, look, I don't have a crystal ball to predict the bad even, right? Neither to predict the good. But what's going on here, fam, in simple terms is that 5 cents for Cronos, right? If we extrapolate to the week, the date, as we've done many times, you're going to realize that that is literally the bottom price that Cronos has had for years. And every time we reach that price, we continue rising. And I'm going to show it to you. Why not? When I come to the day, you're going to find out, and I have to go much farther, right? Now, check this out. The last time we were at these levels was right here, which is the beginning of 2023, the end of 2022, and this is the beginning of, what was it, of 2021, right before our explosion. So we are, in quotes, at the bottom of the chart. Can this go much lower? Well, check this out. According to what we lived about 24 hours ago, a little bit over 24 hours ago, we were at the lowest price on KuCoin, right? Because I'm sure that you can find it somewhere else with more data points. And it's good, because what else are you going to buy? 2 cents, 1 cent? And some of you are waiting for those prices, and that's okay, right? In my opinion, the SEC has to literally say, I'm going to sue crypto.com, I'm going to sue Cronos Chain, I'm going to sue Chris Marshall, I'm going to sue Ken Timsit, I'm going to sue Eric, I'm going to sue everyone in the crypto.com Cronos team, and I'm going to stop the chain completely. At that point, yes, I totally am on board with you about 1-2 cents Cronos. But if that's not the case, just be completely honest with you, I think this 5 cents might have just been a delicious opportunity for a lot of people that you guys were actually buying this dip. Like you saw, it's not that we need to jump to 7 cents already, because Cronos is not going to do it until Bitcoin moves. Bitcoin hasn't done much. Ethereum hasn't done much. We're just moving slowly but surely. But I think it's a win because we just saw a bottom, and this 8%. So recovery is good. Everybody on Twitter is liking it. The Crow fam, more tighter than ever, more united than ever, stronger than ever. If you watch my previous video referencing crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek, we're chilling, everybody, taking an opportunity to enjoy and get ready, right? Like I said, instead, now we're going to be shifting our gears from Gary Gensler, even though he's still going to be in my mind as the saddest person ever in government, to Jerome Powell, because FOMC is coming. Even FOMC is right now, trending on top of me right here. And this is the dead cat bounce I was telling you. So is there a chance, Oscar, that we could have something like this after a crash, a little pump, and then we go lower? Yes, but like I said, Bitcoin has to continue crashing. Not only Cronos, it's a macro event, not only Cronos. So we'll just see. But I'm happy to see this because people, regular people like you and me, these are not whales. These are not whales. This is retail. This was whales. because it's just easy to decipher. When you see a massive candlesticks in the 1 hour, even in the 5 minutes, guys, because you can easily change and put the two next side by side and see, oh, absolutely, this is retail. This might have been a little bit of a whale, but all of this is retail. Once you see the big candlesticks in the 5 minutes, you know somebody bought a lot. Here at Friday night at 11 p.m. with 20 minutes, 11:20, somebody sold probably, what do you like? Couple $millions of Crow. Easy, no questions asked. But here is where people are buying. There you guys have it, everybody. Thank you for watching. Like the crypto.com Cronos recovery happening. We're seeing it right now. We'll continue observing. We have a long time. New week is coming. Appreciate everybody. Like and subscribe so more people know crypto.com. Peace.